Here's how to add custom badges to any product in Aries Shopify theme without any app. Aries theme lets you display a custom badge for any product in your store. Open the theme editor, go to theme settings, then badges. Scroll down to enable custom badges and turn it on. Here's how it works. Each badge is stored in a product metafield. In the theme, you give it a reference to that metafield, and Aries displays the right badge for each product. Let's pick a product from this collection to badge. Copy the product name. In your Shopify admin, go to Products, paste the name in the search bar, and open the product. Scroll down to Product Metafields and click Add Definition to add a new metafield. Give it a name. Copy the namespace and key, we'll need it in a moment. And set the type to image. Save. Click into the metafield, pick the badge image you want, and save the product. Back in the theme editor, paste the namespace and key into custom badge metafield reference input. Now you can see the badge on the product card. Let's do another one. Pick a different product from the same section, copy its name, open it in your admin from product search, set a different image in the same metafield, and save. Back in the theme editor, click Save, and open the storefront preview. Reload the page, and we can see two different badges on the two products.